brand by customizing product pages.
Yes, this is the ad which we are going to remove from Chrome. Actually, we are going to learn how to use ad blocker on Chrome browser. So at first you have to search on the browser uBlock Origin. uBlock Origin, click on uBlock Origin and add it on your Chrome browser. We can see that the extension has been added. Now click on the pin bar and click on the extension. The extension is running on your browser. Now if you open the tab and refresh the page, yes, yes, there is no ad available on your browser. Now you can see many more videos without ad. And another thing is that if you want to remove ads from your from different websites, now you can refresh the page. This in this page there was some ad too. Now we can see that there is no ad. This is why the ad blocker is very important for your browser.